Losing weight in 7 days can be a challenging goal, as safe and sustainable weight loss typically occurs at a rate of 1 to 2 pounds per week. Rapid weight loss in a short period of time can often result in the loss of muscle and water weight, rather than fat. Additionally, restrictive diets and extreme calorie restriction can be harmful to health and may lead to weight gain in the long term. Eat a balanced diet that includes plenty of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean protein. Drink plenty of water and limit sugary drinks. Engage in regular physical activity, such as 30 minutes of moderate intensity activity most days of the week. Get adequate sleep, as lack of sleep has been linked to weight gain. Practice mindful eating and be aware of portion sizes. Avoid fad diets and quick fix solutions, as they are often not sustainable and can be harmful to health. It's important to consult a healthcare professional before starting any new diet or exercise program. They can help determine what a healthy weight loss goal is and develop a safe and effective plan.